Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add widgets now. First, confirm Windows 10 Pro is updated and you're signed into your Microsoft account. Once done, make sure the widgets icon is visible on the taskbar. If not, right-click the taskbar and enable it. Now press Win+W or click the icon to open the widgets board. From here, you'll see available widgets and a settings gear. This is where you start adding, removing, or customizing the widgets that matter most to you. Once the widgets panel is open, click the plus sign or Add Widgets button to browse the gallery. You'll find news, weather, calendar, traffic, and third-party options. You can click Add on any widget to place it on your board, then drag and drop to rearrange priority and layout. Make sure to open each widget's menu to select sources, adjust size, and set refresh frequency so the information stays current. If you link accounts, permissions prompt will appear. Accept to keep data. To finish, pin or resize widgets for a clean, useful layout and remove anything you don't need. Make sure widget settings have background refresh and notification access enabled so content updates in real time. This avoids stale data. If a widget won't load or shows blank space, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager, verify you're online, and check Windows Update for any pending patches. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Microsoft account. That often restores widget permissions and syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.